Right, here are some higher examples for simplification. Here's the first one.
3x, add 4x squared, add 10x, add 2x squared.
Right. The thing here not to be fazed by is the fact that you've got x's and x squareds. You cannot add terms together that have x and x squared in them, so we use the process that we always use. We put a box around 3x. We can't put a box around 4x squared, so we put a box around plus 10x. Right? Those two are the same. Now we put circles around the other two because they both contain x squared. So we got 3x add 10x, which is 13x, and 4x squared add 2x squared, which is 6x squared, and we add that on because it's positive.
4y, add 10y, add 4xy, take away 2y.
So we pick out the things that have got the same. So there are three terms with y's in: 4y plus 10y and take away 2y. And we simplify those. 4y add 10y is 14y. Take away 2y is 12y. So the y is simplified to 12y, and there's only one other term, so we just stick that on the end. Add 4xy.
10f squared, take away 2f, add f squared, take away 5f.
Okay, so we put the f squared things in boxes because they have the same value in them, f squared, and then we put the other things in circles. 2f, take away 2f and take away 5f. Now we simplify 10f squared plus f squared. Now just note here that the f squared is 1f squared. We don't put the 1 in, but that would make a total of 11f squared. And take away 2f, take away 5f makes a grand total of take away 7f.
9p, take away 10pq, take away 4, add 6pq.
Right, here you'll see you've got three different types of things. You've got the things with p in, which is the first one. You've got two parts with pq and one number on its own, which is just a 4. So let's put a circle around the 9p, and we'll put a square around the pq terms, so negative 10pq and add 6pq, and we'll leave the take away 4 on its own. So we've got 9p, and we've got what? Negative 10pq add 6pq makes negative 4, so take away 4pq, and then just take away 4 in the end.
4sr, take away 3s, take away 2sr, add 10rs.
Now, this is the most common source of problems with questions like this, because s multiplied by r is the same thing as r multiplied by s. So when we put boxes around them, we're going to put a box around 4sr, take away 2sr, and add 10rs, because they are all they all have the same sr or rs in them. So 4 take away 2 is 2, add 10 is 12. So it's 12sr, take away 3s. But you would also get it correct if you wrote 12rs, take away 3s.
$11x squared y, add 2y squared x, add 5xy squared, take away 8.
So you've just got to be careful here that you pick out the terms that are the same as each other. So x squared y is clearly not the same as y squared x, but y squared x is the same as x y squared, because you can turn them around because they're multiplied. So y squared x is y times x, and xy squared is x times y, so they are the same thing. So let's circle the terms that we can simplify. Put a circle around 11x squared y and put boxes round y squared x and xy squared, and leave the other thing on its own. So overall we've got 11x squared y, add 7. You can either write xy squared or y squared x and take away 8.